How to see Street View in Google Maps in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to see Street View in Google Maps in Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate to Google Maps app on your phone. Now tap the search icon or the bar at the top of your screen and enter the location you simply need to or want to explore. So simply type in the location. And once you get it on your result page, you can easily select that. If a street view is available or a street view thumbnail will appear at bottom, select that. Now you can easily explore the area in 360-degree view by swiping on the screen. And that's it. That's how you can easily see the street view in Google Maps on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.